Welcome to Tech Guruji Pratap channel. In last session, we have just introduced how we can create different Java programs. Now in this session, we are going to learn about how we can take input from the user. So for that purpose, we need some classes, and the class name is a scanner class. It is a part of java.util package, and it is takes the types, that is integer, float, double character, and these are the primitive types. It's the easiest way to read from the console. So let's talk about which methods are used to take the input from the user. So there are more number of methods used to take the input from the scanner class, but we are taking some of them. For example, the integer next int. So it scans the next token as an integer, means it takes the integer value as a input. Next is the float next float. So next float is a method which scans next token as a float. Next method is a next double. So it scans the next token as a double. Byte. So next byte is a method which is used to take the bytes as a token. And last is a string, that is next line method, which scans the next token as a line. So let's start with the program. We'll take two values from the user and we'll add them and we'll display the value. So for that purpose, we need three variables. So let's start. So first step in the program is we have to import java.util.star package. Our class name is demo add, curly bracket open. This is the main class, so we'll have a public static void main. Public static void main into the bracket string args, curly bracket again open. We will declare the variables. As we know, to add two numbers we need two variables, and to store the result again we need one variable. So we will take three variables a, b, c. There is no initialization of any variable because we are taking the values from the user. So next step is we have to create a object of a scanner class. So scanner is a class, already we have told. So we will create an object, that is sc is equal to new scanner into the bracket, round bracket open, system dot in. Most important thing, yes is capital in scanner. Again, yes is in the system.in, yes is also capital. Next thing, we have to use this as a, b, c are three integer numbers. So at that time, we have to use sc dot next int. Before that, we have to give the message to the user, system dot out dot println into the bracket, enter two numbers, round bracket close, semicolon. After that, we have created object, that is sc. So we'll use sc dot next I capital next int, round bracket open close, semicolon. Again we have to take, but we have to store this value in the first, we are taking the first value, so we have to store in a. So a is equal to sc dot next int. Now we have to store a second value within b, so we'll take sc dot next int, round bracket open close, semicolon. So we have two different values. Now we have to add them. So a plus b. So c is equal to a plus b, and we have to show the output. So to show the output, we use system dot out dot println into the brackets. We'll give the message addition plus, we have to display the c, so write c, semicolon. After that, your main method close, your class close. So we have finished the program. Now we have to run this. To run the program, as we know, our class name is a demo add. So we have to save the program by using demo add dot Java. Now we have to run this. So next we know we have to open the command prompt. Already we have set the part, so directly we can use a Java C, that is Java compiler. So next step, Java C and program name demo add dot Java. So next step we have to run this. So Java demo add. So it will show the message, enter two numbers. So we'll give 3 and 2. So it shows the addition 5. So this is the output. So in same way we can take the input from the user for float variables, for character variables, for string variables and for double variables.